How's it gonna hurt it? Huh? Huh? Oh, fuck. Get in there. Oh, okay. So it is.
We just gotta let it. We just gotta let it. We just gotta let it.
I could title this video, Young Man Plays with Big Box. Oh yeah, shout out to UPS for being extremely delicate with this thing. You're great. Fuck. You ready, boys and girls? Open this bitch. I almost threw this. This is not something to throw. Let's see what it is. This way. God, I'm an idiot. Fuck yeah. Almost fell. So, these are pegs. Well, one's a peg with a sleeve. The other one's just a sleeve. What else we got? What else we got here? This is a bottom bracket. Another one of these things. Fuck out of here. I'm gonna do it swiftly this time. Another peg and another sleeve. Heck to the frick to the yeah. The most important part is obviously this sticker. It's not going to show up on my dark colored parts. I'll do a giveaway for that sticker soon, I promise. We're going to save this one for when we get 10 million though. Man, these are two UFOs with holes in them. You see? Why? Look at this here cinch bag. You know, for the longest time, I thought cinch bags were called chink bags. Just like, you know, casual racism. Try that again. You're not allowed to see. There's more paper for me to throw. More paper for me to flail like an idiot. Shit, I can't talk. These things. Are you guys ready? Because I don't even think I'm ready. Like, oh my god. Who the fuck's that? Here we go. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you fucking ready? Whoa! Yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh wow, it's like a flat black almost. I like it even more now. Oh, it's so straight. So this is my new front wheel. Pretty fucking cool, huh? It is a shadow symbol front hub. Placed to one of them brand new, or somewhat new. All these parts are somewhat new. They just got released rather early. Fuck. These all got shit. This is me. My name's Denny. I can't talk. All these parts were recently just released. Like this color for the symbol hub. It just, you know, just. And then these rims were recently released too. The Odyssey Lighthouse rims. And there are released two titanium spokes, you know. Just kidding, they're not. I've ridden those before. I wouldn't recommend it. They're just regular stainless steel spokes with some silver nipple. So this is the front wheel. And I know why you're all wondering, Denny, you got like the perfect wheel set for a cassette. Why are you getting another one? Well, Enrique, I'm gonna fucking tell you. Just so we're clear, I'm not racist. I'm half Hispanic. So you can go shove that comment right up your butt. We got another wheel set. And you're gonna find out why I got another wheel set. I'm gonna get this stupid packaging open. Oh, it's so pretty. So if y'all is wondering why I got a Hira new wheel set, it's because the back cut's a little different. It's one of them free toasters. Hell yeah. I can be like the cool kids now. Let me put this on and see how much slack there is on it. It feels like there's quite a bit, which is what I want. I like slack, because I'm a slacker. Jokes. But, let's get this shit on. There she is, in all of her glory. So, as you can see, I'd already gotten the matching stem, the Shadow Odin stem. It's very nice and pretty inexpensive, so I do recommend it. And then I got a new bottom bracket, just because my other one was falling apart. And then I got brand new wheel set, like everything new except for tires. So I still have the Colony Grip Lock tires, and then these wheels are the new Shadow hubs, laced to Odyssey Lighthouse rims with brand new demolition bipolar pegs. The front hub is the Symbol hub, and then the back hub is the optimized free coaster. I love this blue so much. So what the girl looks like now. We'll probably be doing a bike check here pretty soon. I like how my tires are actually kind of fat now, because these rims are wider than my other ones. Whims. But yeah, it's the new setup. I'm gonna go test her out now.
What a bitch!
Oh fuck!
There you go. Oh wait, I'm not stuck. I got it. You better not roll in that quarter. Dude, go over there.
I'm gonna like manual out of
Snake.
Josh, what are you doing?
Snake.
What to do? Bitch. Okay. There you go.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God.
Oh, fuck yeah, Jerry. Fuck yeah, Jerry. Fuck yeah, Jerry. Fuck yeah, Jerry. Yahoo, Jerry.
fuck it!